What's good? What's poppin'? Hey, Fatty Squad. Y'all, let me get out this bathroom because y'all know it's a little echo in there. It's your girl, Shauna Bad, in the mother building. You already know. You already freaking know.
I'm off the battlefield. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only one people around that's gonna make me better. In that, it's so They ask how I get that I'm too busy in this money, in this check.
Ooh, y'all, I got my camera set up so good. Y'all, I'm vlogging today. I know y'all haven't seen a vlog from me in a minute, but I'm back and I'm better. You guys, I'm gonna show y'all the room. It's not gonna be original room tour, but my room is lit and I just want to get into the video. So let's get into this video. Okay, so guys, this is our door, and then when you turn around, we have our cute little art right here, and we have this cute little runway. As y'all can see, I see that back in the background. If you turn to your right, we do have our bedroom, y'all. This curtain over here, I just now peeped. It separates everything, so I'm gonna keep that separated just so y'all know that we have a bedroom, and then I'll give y'all the surprise when we go on the other side of the curtain. So this is a king size bed, you guys. It does has a his and her side. It has this cute little lamp right here, y'all. I don't know what size this TV is, about like maybe a 60. It's a little bit bigger than a 50, so I think like a 60-inch, because it don't seem like it's a 70, but if I'm wrong, go ahead and comment it down in the comment section. If you turn over to your right hand side, we do have our bathroom. Once we walk into our bathroom, oh my god, y'all, it has these beautiful marble cabinet or countertops, and this is really cute. It does have a his and her side as well, and then you got this beautiful mirror, y'all. And the mirror is a what y'all call that, like a ring light. It's basically a ring light because it has the, it has the light around the mirror. We have cute little decorative artwork. We have our closet, if y'all didn't peep, closet in the back with the safe per usual. Then I have this cute little mirror. Y'all, let's go ahead and do, you know what? It's too early for that. I'll do an outfit check here in a moment. But yeah, we have this cute little mirror. And then if you turn around, it does have the walk-in shower, y'all. Ooh. It has a cute little decorative wall there. You can see, very cute. And then it separates our regular side into the toilet area where you can get your privacy, where we have a cute little sliding door in the back area here. Toilet, regular. Did give you a little bit of artwork back here. I thought that was really cute. Like I said, I kept those curtains there to separate a couple of things. If you come over to your right hand side, y'all, ooh, let me see if I can get a little lighting over here. If you turn around to your right hand side, y'all, we literally just came into the room. I just said, let me go ahead and do this now. So we do have a couple of items, but y'all ignore it because y'all see the vision, y'all see the view. So we have artwork, we have our little couch. This is like a living room area, y'all. And what's so cute about this? Ooh, y'all, we have a working fireplace. It's electric, but oh my god, it's so pretty. If you look up, we have a TV, and I think this is about like a 60-inch, the same TV size as in the bedroom. And y'all, this little chair is so cute. This little couch chair is cute, really decorative. We have a little bar setting over here. They did give us complimentary waters. We have a dining area, cute little dining area. And y'all, this is plush. When you have a kitchenette in your hotel room, I just think it's the best thing ever. We have a refrigerator, we have a microwave, we have an oven, we got a sink so we can do some cooking if we want to, or if you have leftovers, you can warm them up. Either way, because sometimes I don't like to warm, if I eat anything with steak, I don't like to warm it in the microwave. I like to go ahead and warm it up in the oven. This is the most prettiest part right here. We have a balcony. Now we have a mini balcony. It's not that big, but y'all, let's see if we can open it. But y'all, this is so beautiful. Y'all, that's our Jeep right there. We ran out of the Jeep, and that's cute. It's right in front of us. If y'all don't know already, if y'all have not guessed, if y'all have not looked on my social media, we are in... You want to say it back? You want to say it now or later? We in LA, y'all. We in California. And it's amazing. Let me flip this camera around, y'all. This will be the first video that I will be dropping, which is a room tour / we in LA. We in LA with it. So I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit. We got a couple of activities that we planned out for the weekend. We're here for 3 nights.
Yeah.
3-4 nights. 3-4 nights.
That hair is cute. Let me see you bounce it.
Ooh, shout out to Nikki.
Yeah, them curls bouncy.
Shout out to Nikki because she did my hair. It's really, really nice. But yeah, so we're about to continue with our day. We just wanted to get dressed, check out our rooms. Y'all, LA is so warm. I've been to Cali before, but I've been when it was like cool. And it's warm. So let's just end this video off, and then I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Peace. Okay, y'all, so we are now up in the Hollywood Mountains. I don't technically know what it's actually called, but we are in the mountains looking for the Hollywood sign. I think we're going to...
We ain't never gonna get up there.
Where is that?
Where is
Right
that?
here. She, we never doing that. We ain't getting up there.
You gotta go around and get up there?
Girl. So we might...
There you go. That's it.
The Hollywood sign is literally right there, if y'all can see it. We are so far, so we have to hike from all the way up there. We have to turn around. Oh, y'all, this is a lot. Let me keep it going. So, oh, I'm sorry, y'all.
You're fine.
So I thought we was gonna be able to actually go right next to the Hollywood sign, but that ain't happening, y'all. Y'all, they talking about a video game, talking about we do a cheat code. Y'all, let me see, can I show y'all my outfit? So y'all, I didn't show y'all my outfit. So I got my basketball shorts, which like look like a skirt because I don't know. Then I got this crop top with my shoes. Man, you know it's with my shoes.